Hello, everyone, and welcome to Digital Partners, your go-to channel for tech tips and digital tools. Today, we're going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name right from your phone. Let's get started. Changing your channel name is a great way to refresh your brand or make it more personal. The good news? You don't need a computer. You can do everything directly from your mobile device. To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you're on the correct account. Tab your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From there, select your channel or view channel. Once you're on your channel page, tap the pencil icon or edit channel. Here, you'll see several options to customize your channel, including its name. In the name section, tap the pencil icon next to your current name, then type your new channel name. Keep in mind that you can only change your channel name twice within a 14-day period. So, choose wisely. Once you're happy with your new name, tap Save. And that's it. Your channel now has a fresh new identity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Digital Partners, and hit that notification bell for more quick and easy tutorials.
Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one. Bye.